In this video, I'm going to share with you the best affiliate strategy that's blowing up right now and earning people tens of thousands of dollars a month online. I'm Sean. I'm the owner of Project Profit. In this video, you're going to know exactly what to do to maximize your earnings as an affiliate marketer. So stay for the end of the video where I drop all the sauce. First, that strategy is short form content, but in a specific way. So you've probably posted some kind of videos online and you maybe got some views, maybe you didn't. But in order to make it work for affiliate marketing, the best thing that you can possibly do, number one, is look at other successful videos in your niche, okay? So the first thing you have to do is analyze what made those other videos successful and steal their idea, steal their framework, okay? So the video, what's the video length? What's the text on the screen? What's the music in the background? What are the visuals? You can copy all of that and make it into your own video, okay? From there, once you understand the viral video framework, which I teach fully in my school group, once you understand the viral video framework, then you can drive traffic to an offer. But it's not until you stay consistent over time posting this kind of content where people start to actually trust you and start to actually look into what you're promoting, okay? So you can post a video that does great, but it doesn't mean that you're going to get sales as an affiliate. People aren't going to just magically show up to your link in your bio and want to buy that product. You need to be highlighting a problem that your product solves within your content. So you're matching the right people with the right offer, who are hopefully hungry for the solution that you're giving them, okay? And that's where you start to really compound your efforts, is consistency over time with the right offer promoted to the right people, okay? Let's break this down each step. Consistency. When you post 3 times a day, for instance, what happens is, number one, there's a compounding effect that happens because each day, you're not just getting the views from the videos that you posted that day. You're getting a cumulative effort of all the days before then. You're still getting views on those videos, especially if they do well. So a normal video might get views for 48 hours. But the videos that do well and they continue to get comments and shaves and shares and watch time, they're going to get pushed months after your initial post, okay? So there is a compounding effect where it's not just, even though the algorithm prefers newer content, if you can show that your piece of content is better, then it's going to continue to get pushed for longer, okay? And the more consistent you post, it's like pulling a lever at the slot machine. You continue to give yourself chances for outlier videos, okay? From there, you're staying consistent, you're posting. Now you have to take people off the platform and buy your product. So like I said, you're solving a specific problem for a specific person. But for them to actually show that they're interested in a sale, what you want to do is add a call to action to your content, whether it's in the text on the screen, say it out loud, or in the caption. You need them to comment on your video. So comment a keyword if they're interested, or if they're, want to take the next steps, if they're ready to get started, things like that. And from there, you set up an automation with ManyChat, 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 where it responds to their comments and sends them a DM with your exact affiliate link. Now, if you have a good affiliate program, then it's automatically tracked and paid out directly to you. But ultimately, these platforms don't really want you sending people off the platform. So what you have to do is again, stay super consistent with your content, have, compelling things for them to comment on other than just that they're ready, okay? And that's where the compounding really starts to take hold, is you're posting viral video content to the right person, and this entire strategy of posting consistently with viral content with the right person, with the right offer, and learning how to automate sending them off the platform into your affiliate link is how we make money online. But you need the right offer. And that's what I'm going to talk about here. The right offer is an affiliate offer, preferably, because you don't have to create your own product. You don't have to deal with customer service or inventory or anything like that. So you're promoting someone else's product. for a healthy commission, right? So that's another issue, is a lot of your favorite products that people already buy, they don't need you, okay? So because of that, they're going to give you a tiny commission. And in the end, it's not actually worth your effort, especially if that commission isn't reoccurring. The next thing is you need an offer that, number one, is reoccurring, and number two, people will actually buy. People are interested. It solves a problem for people. So what I recommend is you promote my school group. You can become an affiliate for my school group, where you earn 50% reoccurring monthly commissions for referring people to the group. When you sign up, it's $50 to sign up, and you get 50% reoccurring commissions. So that's $25 a month per person that you refer, okay? And if you refer 40 people, that's $1,000 a month, all right? So I highly recommend you check out the best affiliate program in the world. Link is in the description below. Before you leave, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and like this video so it can be pushed out to more people. I appreciate you.